Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this to be continued filter on TikTok. Okay, so to get this effect on TikTok, what you have to do is just go to the effect gallery. Okay, remember this image. This is already in my saved list. But if you don't have this filter on your trending section or you can't find it, just tap on the search button. Okay, and search for to be continued. Okay, the first one with 432.1k videos, tap there. Okay, you got the filter. So when you use this filter, just tap on the record button, and when you touch on the screen, you will see this to be continued. Likewise. Okay, suppose you are not finding the filter like this from the effect gallery, what you can do, go to For You page and here search for to be continued. Okay, here on the top row, you will see the effect icon, just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. From here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the page you will see use this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this also, then what you can do, visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. Wait for it. Okay, now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So tap on the screen. Like this you can get to be continued filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.